Okay, so let's talk about number 1. Our first step is to always look and see if there's a greatest common factor. When I look at x squared minus 9, I don't see a greatest common factor. My leading coefficient is 1. There's a 1 here, so therefore I don't need to do a greatest common factor here. So next I'm going to go and see if these are 2 squares. Well, I know that 1, that is a perfect square, it's right there. I see that 9 is also a perfect square, it's right there. And x squared is a perfect square. So all I need to know is what the square roots of those are. Well, the square root of 1 is 1, square root of 9 is 3. So I'm going to use the difference of 2 squares pattern that was listed up here that says a plus b, a minus b. And I'm going to go ahead and put that into the pattern. So remember, I just talked about the square roots, so I just wrote down on the bottom what their roots are. So when I put them into my pattern, I'm going to have 1x plus 3 and 1x minus 3. And that's my pattern.